Assalamualaikum students, welcome back in my channel with our new topic, and today's our topic is difference between plant and animal cell. In my previous lecture I told you about the plant and animal cell and I described these cells briefly. Now we differentiate between two cells. Okay, now first of all, some resemblance and some similarities are also present in both of cells. These are cell membrane found in both cells, cell membrane, as well as nucleus found in both cells, mitochondria, and endoplasmic reticulum, endoplasmic reticulum. These organelles or these structures are present both cells, plant and as well as animal cell. But some differences are also occur in both cells. These are, for example, if we draw the diagram of plant and animal cell, so we describe this more clearly. For example, firstly I draw the diagram of plant cell. Look at that, I draw that diagram like this. You also draw this like this. It's an easy way. It's a common plant cell. It's a plant cell. And here is an animal cell. Okay, animal cell. Okay student, first of all I draw the nucleus in both cells. You look that in plant cell I draw it aside, but in the animal cell I draw it in the center. Reason is that here is a large vacuole present, so nucleus becomes a site, and in the animal cell it is in center. Okay, this is nucleus. First of all, you look at in the plant cell, outermost layer is called cell wall, but in animal cell it is called cell membrane. Okay, now cell membrane here is beneath the cell wall, cell membrane. Okay, now this is nucleus here. These are the common things: nucleus, cell membrane, and vacuoles are small in animal cell, but in the plant cell it is a larger one cell. This is a vacuole. So it's also a difference. In plant cell here is a large vacuole, and in only one cell one vacuole is present, but in the animal cell here are small but quantity wise more vacuoles are present. So next thing, plastids. A structure which is called plastid is present in the plastids are present in the plant cell. These plastids are also called chloroplasts because these plastid has a chemical which is called chlorophyll. So these chloroplasts or plastids are present in the plant cell. Okay, but not found in the animal cell. What's the difference? Chloroplast. Okay, chloroplast present in the animal cell. Here are near the nucleus, centrioles are present. What the thing I said? Centrioles. Centrioles present near the nucleus. These are very necessary in the process of cell division. In the animal cell, centrioles are present near nucleus. But in the plant cell, no centrioles-like structure are present. Okay, these are the two differences. Now, I describe this again. Cell wall is present outermost layer in the plant cell, but no cell wall is present in the animal cell. Nucleus is lies near the site of the cell wall because of a large vacuole. Okay, nucleus lies near the site of a cell wall because of a large vacuole. Okay, nucleus lies in the center of the cell because here vacuoles are smaller size, small in size and large in numbers. Okay, now single large vacuole is present in the plant cell but small vacuoles present in the animal cell. Chloroplasts are present in the plant cell but no chloroplast-like structure present in the animal cell. Because plant cell produce their own food with the help of a process which is called photosynthesis, and in the chloroplast a chemical present which is called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll help the process which is photosynthesis, in which plants produce their own food. Now, centrioles-like structure are present in the animal cell, and these centrioles are present only in the animal cell because when the cell division is occur in an animal cell, these centrioles help this process, and so no centrioles-like structure present in the plant cell, only in the animal cell these structure are present. Okay, these are some differences. Before this, I told you about the similarities, and the similarities are nucleus, cell membrane, endoplasmic reticulums. These are the same structures which are found in both cells. Okay, endoplasmic reticulum like structure, rod-like structures are present in both cells. Okay, these are the similarities, but the mitochondria. These are similarities. Mitochondria also present here. Mitochondria. Okay, these are the similarities in both cells. Endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, nucleus, and cell membrane are the similarities, but the differences between plant cell and animal cell are cell wall present in the plant cell but no cell wall in the animal cell, and a large vacuole is present in the plant cell but smaller and the larger number vacuoles are present in the animal cell. Or nucleus lies near the site of the cell wall because of the large vacuole, and nucleus in the center. Chloroplasts are present. Chloroplast which help in the process of photosynthesis because chlorophyll is present here. Chloroplast present in the plant cell, not in the animal cell. In the animal cell, a structure which is called centrioles are present which help the process of cell division. Okay, students, these are the differences between a plant cell and animal cell. It's my video. If you like this and if you learn this side by side, I think it's easier for you. If you like my video, please thumbs up. Allah Hafiz.